All right, we got Old Yeller out. It's probably going to be the calmest day for winds that it's ever seen. And winds are like 2 with gusts to 5. Sometimes a little bit more, but not much. Beauty day. It's only 25 out. So I'm not going to sweat my hair in my eyes off. Yeah, it's a good old plane. Just love it. Definitely, it's so ugly. I like it. Look at that. That's any faster than that, it gets wobbly. You hear the motor turn off, thunk. I think this thing would be a thermal master running out here. It's going to find them. No, definitely not in that way. It's dropping. There should be some coming off my runway here. See, it's so brown. Look at that. I'm just propellers on idle. Let's get it up a little bit higher. Under the sun. Get back over to this side. Woo! Power's off. Anything off the road? No, oh, maybe. It's going up. Oh, look at that. It's going up. Look at that. It's got a thermal. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Look at it go. Holy crap. I kind of lost it, I think. No, it's still going up. Wow. But the Phoenix 2000 glider, I'm going to throw it up there with the camera on it. Yeah, no. Lost it. Go back this way. Oh. I think we found it again. Yeah, it's going up. Wow. Oh, fell it. Oh, I see a jet way up there. Just barely see it. It's about to go into that cloud. I don't know if you guys can see it. He's miles up. This guy's slowly going up. I haven't used the power yet. Oh, skim it. It's dropping like a stone. Oh. I'll give her some power this time. You tell it's on power, she's all wobbly. Doesn't like power. Turn the power off. Perfectly smooth. A nice little pass here. Yeah. So wobbly. I think probably do the gyro. I'll probably get rid of that wobble. What speed? We're gliding again. Really use a drink. I think we're gonna land it next time it comes down. Go get a drink. Yeah, she's not catching thermal this time. Right around there. Oh, well, we're going up. Yeah, we're going up again. Well, going down again. And up. It's right there somewhere. Probably went over top of those buildings that just shoot up in there. Oh, there we go, up again. It's trying. A little bit. It's right over here somewhere. Yeah, I don't know where it is. It's there somewhere. It's amazing how long this thing will glide though. No, right out of the thermal there. Look at it, she's dropping like a stone. Alright. Land it, go get me a drink and play something else. Perfect landing. Alright, well, that was Old Yeller. Still don't know what it is. It's an old glider. But I wish half of the new ones flew as nice. This thing's awesome. So ugly. It's beautiful. All right, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Ciao for now.